Hello students, today we are going to start next topic of block 3, that is bacteria and protozoa. Our aim is to explain the basic structure of bacteria and protozoa. The keywords are bacteria, protozoa and cilia. The resources required are hand wash bottle with antibacterial sign, S3 of your workbook, notebook and exit content book. Students, see this hand wash bottle and try to read the word written on it. The word is antibacterial. Now students, think and try to write the answers of these questions in your notebook by pausing the video. The questions are: why do we need to wash our hands with an antibacterial soap? What are bacteria? Why do we need to get rid of them? Are they all harmful to us? The answers are: antibacterial soap kills the bacteria in our hands. Bacteria are the microorganisms. We want to remove bacteria as some of them enter in our body and make us sick. Only some bacteria are harmful while some are harmless and useful too. So students, today we will learn about the basic structure of bacteria and protozoa. So you pause the video and read the section bacteria and protozoa from exit content book and draw cell structure of bacterium in your notebook. And try to write the answers of these questions. What are bacteria? Where are they found? What is the study of bacteria called? What are protozoa? And where are they found? Let's see them in detail. Bacteria. Singular bacterium. Bacteria are one of the oldest living organisms on the earth. They are unicellular organisms. It means their body is made up of single cell. They are found almost everywhere, even in extreme conditions and unusual places like hot springs, icy lands and marshy areas. Bacteria come in different sizes and shapes. They multiply rapidly and some produces toxic substances which are very harmful to humans and causes diseases like cholera and tuberculosis. There are some bacteria which are good for us and they are present in our body and help in digestion. The study of bacteria is called bacteriology. Let's see the basic structure of bacterial cell. Bacteria has very complex structure. The main components of its structure are cell wall, control center, capsule, flagella, fimbriae or pili and cytoplasm. The functions of these components are: cell wall. It gives shape to the bacterial cell such as sphere, rod or spiral. Control center contains DNA which controls all the cell activity. Capsule is a protective covering of the cell. Flagella is a long tail-like structure that helps in movement of bacteria. Fimbriae is a short hair-like structure which help bacteria to attach to a surface. And cytoplasm is a jelly-like substance inside the cell where chemical reactions occur. Students, let's move on to the next category of microorganisms, that is protozoa. Singular is protozoan. As the name suggests, The word proto means primitive and zoon means animal. That means protozoans are organisms that are primitive to animals. These are also unicellular organisms. They are called heterotrophs as they can live in variety of habitats like fresh water, seawater and soil. They have tiny hair-like structures called cilia around their body. Cilia move back and forth to move protozoa in water. They can be different in their shapes, sizes and way they move and feed. The different groups of protozoa are amoeboids. These are the protozoans which move with the help of pseudopodia, that is called false feet. Ciliates are the protozoans which have small hair-like cilia structures for the movement. Sporozoa are the protozoans which are non-motile, means they will not move. And flagellates are the protozoans which will have flagella, which is a long tail-like structure for the movement. Let's see the examples. Amoeba, it moves with the help of pseudopodia. Paramecium is having small hair-like structures throughout the body. Trypanosoma is also called giardia. It consists flagella for the movement. And Plasmodium, which causes malaria in our body, is non-motile. These protozoans eats smaller bacteria. They exist independently or as parasites and can cause diseases. Streams and water bodies sometimes contain a protozoan called giardia, which may cause diarrhea in humans. So students, today we learn about the basic structures of bacteria and protozoa. Now, you may be in situation to think about this question's answer and you can write it in your notebook. What are some similarities and differences between structure and features of bacteria and protozoa? So students, you can pause the video and try to write the answer of this question in your notebook. The similarity and differences between bacteria and protozoa are: both are unicellular, means they are made up of single cell. Both use hair-like structures for movement, that is flagella. Both can survive in variety of climates. If you will see about the difference, they have different cell structures. Now come to the application part. Students, you are supposed to finish your S3 in volume book based on today's learning and complete practice questions 7, 8, 9 and 10 in your notebook from Exit Content Book. Thank you so much students. Have a great day.